ezyZip.
How to convert DOCX to HTML. Go to ezyZip.com, click on Convert, then Documents, and navigate to Convert DOCX to HTML. Click Select DOCX file to convert to open the file chooser, or drag and drop the DOCX file directly onto ezyZip. Click Convert to HTML. The system will begin processing your file. It may take a few seconds depending on complexity. Once the conversion is complete, click on Preview HTML file to inspect the result before saving if satisfied. Click on Save HTML file to download the HTML version to your selected folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.